Hi everyone, my name is Grace and this is Training with Grace Yoga. Today we're going to do the best neck stretches. I know sometimes you just have a lot of neck pain and you want the quickest way to release it. Well, we're going to go through some of my favorite neck stretches that really help get into the pain and help you let it all go. So when you're ready, meet me in a comfortable seated position. You can be on your mat, on your bed, on a chair, just anywhere seated where your spine is up tall, all right? So let's get started. Once you get yourself into a comfortable seated position, just close your eyes. Bring your right hand to your belly and your left hand to your heart. Just notice how your body's feeling as you show up to your mat. Maybe you've clicked on this video because your neck pain is so bad you can barely move, or maybe you just generally have a lot of pain and stiffness in your neck and you want help releasing it. Just tune in to your reason why you're here. And just begin to slow down your breath. As we stretch out our neck today, it's really important to connect with your breath, because with every exhale as your body loosens up, it's going to help release tension from your neck. Gently blink your eyes open and release your hands down. You can rest your hands on your knees if you'd like. And we're just gonna begin by taking a deep breath in, and then exhale, drop your chin down towards your chest. You wanna try to let your chin touch your chest, but if it can't, that's okay. You just want that full release. You don't wanna be like pressing your neck down. Keep the integrity of your spine up tall, and then just drop your chin down. You're just going to take another deep breath in, fill up your lungs in the base of your belly. And then through your mouth, a deep exhale. Through your nose, take another deep breath in. Through your mouth, a deep exhale. One more breath just like that. Through your nose, inhale. As you exhale, try to let go of tension that you're holding on to. And then inhale your neck up. And then exhale your neck back behind you. Again, you don't want to throw your neck back, but just let it gently fall to where it will. You want to feel the front of your neck opening up. Through your nose, take a deep breath in. And through your mouth, a deep exhale. Through your nose, take another deep breath in. Through your mouth, exhale, let it go. Inhale your neck back to center. Exhale, drop your chin to your chest. Inhale your neck back to center. Exhale, drop your neck back. Inhale, center. Exhale, drop down. You're getting the idea of this flow, breath, and movement. So just continue this with your own breath. Really try to take slow breaths here. So we're just beginning to loosen up the muscles in our neck. As we warm up the muscles in our neck, that's going to help us release the tension. Just continue this gentle flow in your neck. Avoid pushing your neck. Just let your neck fall where it will. You want to be nice and gentle with this area, especially if you've arrived to this video with an intense pain. Great. One more time through. Inhale, center. Exhale, back. Inhale, center. Exhale, forward. And then inhale, center. Great job. Now we're going to get into a different angle, all right? So keeping your seated position, gently twist your neck looking over your left shoulder. We're just going to hold our position here. Take a deep breath in. Exhale through your mouth. Take another deep breath in. Make sure you're sitting up nice and tall. Through your mouth, exhale. One more deep breath in. Through your mouth, exhale. Inhale to center. Exhale, look over your right shoulder. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Through your mouth, a deep exhale. Take a deep breath in, expand your belly out with air. Through your mouth, exhale. One more deep breath in. Try to relax your shoulders from your ears. Through your mouth, exhale. Now we flow. Inhale, center. Exhale, look to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, look to the right. Inhale, center. Relax your shoulders from your ears. Exhale to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale to the right. Just flow this breath to movement. Make sure you inhale at center. Exhale as you look to the side. Exhaling into the movement will really help you twist a little bit deeper. But again, make sure you're not pushing this. Make sure you're just flowing to the level that's comfortable for you. Good. One more full round. Inhale, center. Exhale to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left. Inhale, center. Great job. Now we're going to move into some tiny neck circles, and then after that we'll make our way into a larger circle, all right? So let's just try to flow slowly through this. Practice our patience, and hopefully using your breath is going to help you really release the tension that you're feeling in your neck right now. So exhale, drop your chin to your neck. Take a deep breath in. And exhale, lift your neck up to the left side. And then inhale your neck down. Exhale up to the left. Inhale down to the right. Exhale up to the left. Inhale down to the right. Now just flow these little circles with your own breath. Just bringing in a nice gentle movement here. We'll do 2 more full circles and then we're gonna switch sides. Good, last circle. Bring your chin back to center at your chest. Take a deep breath in. And exhale, lift your neck up to the right. Inhale down to the left. Exhale up to the right. Inhale down to the left. Exhale up. Inhale down. And just flow this with your own breath. Slow down your breath as much as you can. Try to relax your shoulders from your ears. Good. We're just going to do 2 more full circles here. 1 more circle. Good. Rest your chin at center and then lift your neck up. Take a little break. Roll your shoulders back a little bit. Now we're gonna go into the same movements, but this time we wanna really exaggerate the twist so that hopefully you can feel your head along your shoulders, your back. You want your chin to touch your chest, all right? So let's begin. Bring your chin down to your chest. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, large exaggerated twist up to the left. Inhale down to the right. Exhale up to the left. Inhale down to the right. Exhale up. Inhale down. Now just continue this movement with your own breath. Just a few more. Try to relax your shoulders from your ears. Be sure that you're connecting with your breath and not holding your breath. One more exaggerated circle up to the left and down to the right. Rest your chin at your chest. Take a deep breath in. And exhale your neck up to the right. Inhale down to the left. Exhale up to the right. Inhale down to the left. Really exaggerate this circle as much as you can. Continue this movement with your own breath. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Relax your shoulders from your ears. Be sure that you're still sitting up tall and haven't jeopardized your spine. Good. 2 more full circles. Last one. Then rest your chin down at your chest. And then bring your head back to center. How's your neck feeling so far? Hopefully a little bit looser as now you have a little bit motion in all of the directions, all right? Now we're gonna get into my favorite neck stretch probably of all time. This one never fails me when I'm having pain in my neck. All right, so lift up your right hand and bring your hand to your left ear. You're gonna drop your head down towards your right shoulder. Try to relax your right shoulder so your arm isn't lifted, tucking your shoulder up here. Just relax. Once you've pulled your head down to the right side, I want you to drop your chin to your armpit. You can adjust where your hand is if you're not really feeling anything. Play around with the depth of this posture. This is one stretch that we are pulling in, but you don't want to pull too much. Just enough so that you feel that stretch along the back side of your neck. Feel free to take your left hand to your neck and rub out your neck in this spot. Just gonna give our neck a little bit of love. Continue to breathe in this place as well. Taking deep breaths in through your nose and deep breaths out through your mouth. Awesome. Maybe in this stretch you feel it a little bit in your back as well. Totally normal. Everything in our body is super connected. Just try to breathe into the tension. Great. Maybe you aren't massaging your neck and you're just relaxing your neck down. And then inhale, lift your head back to center. Exhale, pull down, chin down. Inhale up. Exhale, head to the side, chin down. And then inhale up, release your hand, shake it all a bit. Wow, I really felt that tension release in my neck. All right, now left hand comes up. Grab the side of your head by your right ear. Relax your left shoulder. Pull your neck down to the left side and then drop your chin to your armpit. Play around with the positioning of your hand if you need to. And then if you want, if you did so on the other side, you can take your opposite hand and just rub out your neck a little bit. This is a great position to massage your neck and then release that tension because this is where we get the muscle to be its tightest. So just continue to breathe into this space. Make sure that you're still sitting up tall. It's really easy to sink your body down to the side. I think I was doing that too. So just make sure you're checking in with your spine. Good. Just continue to breathe, taking deep inhales through your nose and deep exhales through your mouth. You can bring your hand down by your traps, massage your trapezius muscle, and then all the way up by your ear. Good, and then release your hand down if you were massaging your neck. Then inhale your head up to center. And then exhale, pull down to the side, drop your chin down. Inhale back to center. Exhale, pull to the side, drop your chin down. Inhale up to center and release your hand. Let's take a little neck roll here. Wow, did you feel that release? Because I'm definitely feeling it. All right, we just have one more and then we're done today. We're gonna do a seated cat-cow. So take both your hands to the edges of your knees. If you're not seated with your legs crossed, that's okay. Maybe you're seated in a chair on the ground with your legs out long. Whatever works, you just need your spine up tall, all right? So bring your hands to your knees. Inhale, seated cow pose. Pull your chest through, lift your neck up to the sky. Exhale, seated cat pose. Hold on to your knees as you pull your spine back, letting your head and neck hang heavy. Now continue the seated cat-cow with your own breath. So now we're not just stretching out our neck, but also the rest of our spine and our back. Maybe sitting up was a little bit pressing on your back. Maybe it didn't feel that great. This is a great way to release that now. Awesome. Just a couple more here. Inhale for your cow pose. Exhale for your cat pose. On your next inhale, come to a seated position and exhale. Thank you so much for taking time to do your yoga with me today for the best neck stretches. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I would love to know what you thought about this video and about the stretches. So please leave me a comment down below. Your feedback really helps me. And you can also let me know what you would like to see in the future. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. And also, it would be awesome if you could share this video with a friend. Thank you so much for taking time to flow with me. And if you'd like to access my longer yoga flows, you can find the directions in the description of this video. Thank you so much. Namaste.